In this video, I will show you the steps I took to make these floating style shelves out of pallet wood. I made them to match the mirror frame that I made for Riverside Hair Studio about a year or two ago. I started by pulling out the old cupboard, then my sister painted the wall. I have a good stockpile of pallet stringers and pallet palings from a large job that fell through. Set the table saw to 40mm, rip the stringers into 2 lengths, there'll be a bit left over, square up one end, cut your lengths, simple frame. I'm drilling 2 holes in the back piece to prevent the shorter piece from spinning. 1 hole in the front is enough and it looks better. Before assembling, I mark the metal stud placement and pre-drill the holes. Clamp the corners, screw the frame together and add 2 palings on top. Cut off the excess. I prefer to drop the blade right down and rest the side of the blade against the frame. It will give you a perfectly flush cut. Same with trimming off the slight overhang on the back edge. Time to char the surfaces. This is what it will end up looking like. I do this in multiple passes. I find it less likely to split or warp the wood. I tried burning the assembled shelf and also a disassembled shelf. Either way is fine. This process looks way cooler overnight. With a wire brush, scrub out all of the charcoal. Here is a bit of a before and after. For this kickboard area, I just built a bit of a frame and added some pallet palings. If you want, you could add a bit of furniture wax. The shorter shelves are attached into 2 studs each, and the longer shelves are attached into 3 studs each.